Good morning. I am going to talk about the speech that talk about the climate change. Okay, first I am going to say the definition of what is climate change. Well, climate change is the variety in the climate, in the temperature, and all the climate in general. And is produced by the emissions of greenhouse gases produced by the cars and some fabrics. Okay, and one consequence about the climate change is the warming, the global warming. Okay, the global warming is the rise of the temperatures in the world, and this is a consequence about the climate change. Okay, I am going to say some consequence about the climate change that will affect in Central America and Costa Rica. One consequence is that there will be a lot of hurricanes, well, more hurricanes, and also some more floods, and also more droughts. Okay, and Costa Rica have already been affected by the consequence of the climate change, and like in the crops that have been affected by the floods and the droughts. Okay, Costa Rica is a country that cares a lot about the environment, and Costa Rica also create a program called neutral program country. That this program, the purpose of this program is is that in 2050 the emissions of greenhouse gases will have been eliminated completely. But also we have to contribute to help the environment, and some of the ways that we can contribute to help the environment are recycling the things that we can, don't use a lot of energy, only use the energy that you need, use reusable bags, because the plastic ones are contaminate a lot the environment, use our type of transportation, don't use, try to avoid the car and use others like train, buses and bike. And don't buy food with a lot of packaging, because this affect a lot the environment. And also, okay, and I think that the speech was very interesting because talk about that the climate change isn't talk a lot. Okay, a lot of people don't talk about this, and the media doesn't talk about this big issue that will affect us a lot in some years ahead. And if we don't take actions now, we can have a lot of consequences. And if we take the action now, we can have hope that we will be living in a good future. Thanks.